Is that a GTI pile-up?
Okay, we follow you up to New Hampshire.
You gonna put the sway bar on your car?
No more sway. All right, let's go.
I don't know much about the things I do, and often people call me insecure. I got 2 pairs of cheap-ass sneakers, and I don't know if they get me.
This is what it looks like when you got light bars in the Raptor. Turn them on, David. Oh, we're heading back up to New Hampshire. We've got the Raptor and our 2 GTI friends. You know you're in New Hampshire when there's snowmobiles at the gas station. I like to watch Willie prance back to his car. Watch. I fucking love that kid.
But I know that you ain't okay with the way you live right now. And I could talk 1,000 times about lousy crimes, it's my show. But you gotta face your fear.
Oh, by the way, it's -10 degrees here. One of the main reasons we're actually up here is to do the rear sway bar on Zach's GTI.
Reason why. Face your fears and get down with it tonight.
I'm so fucking cold. I'm so fucking cold. So cool.
I'm thinking that's probably good enough. That's fine.
Holy shitballs. That's gonna be a mighty warm wrench when we're done.
Well,
I'm thinking we drill that out.
David wants to weld something to it.
Yeah. Or I was gonna
we have to
say,
reuse this.
You can't just drill it out because then you have.
why don't we just weld a nut onto that?
It's like surgery. Oh, we just broke one. Oh shit.
So you fracture it more.
Yeah.
No.
PB blasted.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go get more.
There we go.
All right, let's do it.
We need the ratchet.
So, either this.
Stock.
This is cute.
And 034 Racing.
This is manly.
Monster. Sway bar.
Let's get the lube out.
Eddie, line it up. I want to see what that looks like.
Alright. This is like a fucking...
This is like one of those puzzle things
I know, one of those Japanese whatever.
that I
it's
can't
called.
do.
The haikus, or is that something else?
That's a poem.
Oh, what the fuck is that then? Zach, how did you get this fucker in there?
A lot of guys.
Alright.
Have a little patience.
Let me help you out.
Oh, help me! Help me!
Patrick Swayze, baby.
Who's that?
He's a guy who's dead. from
Patrick Sway Bar.
Too far over on my side.
Lift, pull that side back, then go up, and then there you go. Exactly like that.
That's it. That's it.
Oh my god, like a glove. You in?
Zoom into my face.
Oh!
Zoom into my face.
Where's the hardware? I need the hardware.
Hardware.
Hardware! Go in, you fucker. There we go. Mine, bottom one's in.
You in, Eddie?
Yeah, I just need to find the top bolt that disappeared on me.
I think it fell in. But they go in here. This was not a tutorial, but the new sway bar's in, exhaust is tightened back up, and we're ready to take this bad boy off the lift and see how stiff that rear end now is.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life. Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life.
Yeah, Will's taking a nap in the house, and Tim is upstairs. Here.
Doing what?
Just sitting. Me and Eddie were just up there.